Mrs. Demick Story Time.
Hi guys, welcome back for another video. Today I have a special guest star. What's your name?
Abe.
This is Abe. He's 3, he's my son, and he's gonna help us unbox this box of books from Usborne. So
Yeah, and these books.
let's see what's in it.
Yeah.
Be really careful.
Yeah.
What kind of book do you think's in here?
I don't know.
What kind of book do you want to be in here?
Pink.
A pink book?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Wait, is that a book?
Yeah.
That's not a book. We'll throw that out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. Okay, first book. Our first book is called Bug Homes. Oh, Abby, this one's cool because look, it's got ants.
Yeah.
And you can do all these little flip-flaps. This one's kind of cool. It's got all these little flaps that you can open up. Do you like this?
Yeah, I want to read it.
You want to read it some more?
Yeah.
Okay. And look at this one. Look at this anthill. That is cool. You're going to learn about all different kinds of bugs in here. Yeah, go for it. This one's called Bug Homes. Peek inside. You can look at that one. While you're looking at that one, I'll see what else is in here. Oh, this book I got. You won't care about this book, but I got this book for my 10-year-old and my other kids when they're a little older called Managing Your Money. It looked like a really cool book for older kids. It's about like setting up a budget, and it talks about like how to make a profit and how to save, and really cool book. This down-to-earth guide is designed to take the mystery out of managing money, filled with practical advice on such topics as how to be a smart shopper, how to budget, and how to earn money. So, and it's kid-friendly. It's like designed with big pictures, kind of like, I don't know, kind of like the kind of books my 10-year-old likes right now. What else? Oh, this one is called Going to the Dentist. Have you been to the dentist?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it a little bit scary?
Yeah, I went to the doctor.
I remember that. This book is about when you go to the dentist, you don't have to be scared. It's okay to go to the dentist. And so this is a really good book. It was super cheap too. I can't remember how much it was. Doesn't say on here. It's like less than $5. That bug is a caterpillar. But this really, it goes step by step about what a dental visit is like and what the dentist and dental hygienist will do. Talks about, you know, what to expect so they don't have to be so scared there. You're really into that bug book, huh? Do you want to look at this one about the dentist? There it is. I have another book in here called The Book of Secrets. This, when I read it...
Wait, what's this book?
Oh, that is a beetle. A water beetle.
It looks like a spider.
It does. It's called a water beetle. This book looked like the equivalent of kind of like the Da Vinci Code, but for kids. So I got this for my 10-year-old. It's called The Book of Secrets, and there's at least 2 more in this series. But I can't remember how many.
These bugs called?
Those are bumblebees. The back says, an orphan in exile, a band of rebel girls, a prince whose throne has been stolen, come on a journey full of danger, intrigue, adventure, and incredible secrets in the Adaban cipher duology. So it must just be 2 books. Looks cool. Those are big stag beetles. This one, I got a couple of these books for my class because that is a big stag beetle. Because I thought that these would be good.
This is a butterfly.
Butterfly. Monarch butterfly. These are like kind of good folklore books, I feel like, and kids are really into these kind. This one is How the Elephant Got His Trunk, How Bear Lost His Tail,
These books
and How the Leopard Got His Spots.
What's these books called?
Those are beetles.
Oh.
So, and they're, I would say, looking at it, I'd say it's probably a level
And then
C or D book. Like Countess of Pinnell level. Can I read you this book?
Yeah.
Once the leopard had no spots at all. This story tells how things changed. Long ago, everyone lived on the light, sandy plain, Everyone had light sandy skin. Thank you.
Off nose.
Yeah. Then zebra and giraffe found a forest. What's in there? Let's find out. In the dark, they grew dark patches. They hid in the shadows. The man hunted. Where's my dinner? Leopard hunted. I want meat. They hunted in the forest. I can't see. Oof, ow. At last, got you. Yum, zebra, dinner time. And I'm going to go ahead a little bit.
This one calls the doctor.
The leopard doesn't have spots yet. Oh, and then here he made shadowy fingerprints, and that's how he got his spots. Anyway, looking at it more, I'd say it's probably a D or maybe even an E book. But these books look like really interesting books for first grade, which is the grade I teach. So those also weren't very much money either. Must not have been if I got 3 of them. Here's some more.
Oh.
Leopard, elephant, bear.
And doctor and button.
Yeah. And while we're all stuck at home, I'm trying to find new ways to entertain my kids. So I got this book called 100 Paper Planes to Fold and Fly. And I saw another one that was 200 more paper planes to fold and fly. And, oh, I thought they were just going to be the directions on how to do it, but it's actually actual planes that you can cut out, and it will explain how to do it and everything. And it looks like they peel out really easily. They're already kind of coming out. So it explains how to fold it, and then there's lots of different patterns, 100 different ones. So let's see. Before you fold it, oh, you can make a dart, a bug, a jet, or a glider. So it shows the different ones and how to make each of them.
Mom, these
That's amazing.
Beetles.
Do you want to make paper airplanes tomorrow?
Yeah.
Like these?
Yeah.
Then we can see who can fly it the furthest.
Yeah, and then I can fly it.
And I'll probably win though.
And I want to win.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll do it tomorrow and we'll see, okay? 100 different ones. This is really cool. This one, Secrets of Animal Camouflage. Okay, this one is a Shine a Light book. And there was all different Shine a Light books.
Beetles.
Those are ants. Who's hiding in the wild? Shine a light behind the page and see. Explore animal habitats up close and you will find a world filled with great surprises, from an Arctic fox peeping out of the snow to a blue-ringed octopus buried in the sandy seabed. The secrets of animal camouflage are revealed. And there were... Those are ants. Weaver ants. Let me see if it shows the different ones that there are. No, but there were so many different ones. There were ones about animals, but there were also ones about like, shoot, I can't remember. Oh, like,
These look like spiders.
mechanic shop, I think. All right, my battery died, but I'm back. And this one, so Secrets of Animal Camouflage, and there's all different ones. It's a Shine a Light book, and I will show you. I've never done it before, so we'll have to see. It says, hold the page to light to see inside hidden habitats. So I got a flashlight, buddy. Red, white. Okay, and it says if we hold it to the light, we'll see. Tell me if you see anything. I think maybe it goes behind it. Look. Whoa, look.
Wow.
Is that how it goes? Or is it this way?
This way.
This way. Oh, this way you can see the spiders glowing, which I don't think that's the way it's supposed to go. Do you see the spider?
Yeah.
But this way, the spiders are in the dark.
Yeah.
But if you shine the light, you can see them. Like, you can see the flowers behind it. Okay, let's try another page and I'll let you do it. Oh, okay, here is a walking stick. That's the name of that bug.
Yeah.
Let's see. Look, there it is on a tree. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Here, let me get a little closer to them.
That bug is in the dark.
And then maybe I'll let you do it next. Okay, so here's the walking stick. And if you shine the light,
Mom,
you
I
can kind of
take
see.
all of the spots.
What?
I take all
You took
of...
all the spots?
Yeah.
Will this work better if I do it like this? Can you see it?
Now I can't
Anyway.
reach your spot.
I thought this would be kind of cool. I bet it's better at night. Do you want to try the next page?
But that one
Oh.
is in the dark.
Bengal tiger.
Yeah.
Okay. You hold the light. I'll hold the tiger. I'll hold the book. Okay, shine the light behind it.
Okay.
Wow! You can see it in the grass.
Yeah.
Do you want to look at this book?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to turn the light off or do you want the light?
Light on.
Alright, that'll be a fun one to explore. And then this is my last one. And Abe, I think you're going to like this one the most. Because what's your favorite animal?
Spiders.
I thought it was unicorns. Don't you love unicorns?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this one is called Bob is a Unicorn. And it's on the back it says Bob is not a unicorn. Everyone can see that. Everyone but Bob. Bob thinks he's a unicorn. I just got this because ooh, Abe loves unicorns and I just like silly books. So I'll read a couple pages. Bob is not a unicorn. Everyone can see that. Everyone but Bob. Whoa, Bob, what are you supposed to be? I'm a unicorn, Marvin. Can't you tell?
Wow.
No? Well, I am.
That's my spider.
Oh, good. Fine. Hey, Bob. Hey, Stella. What are you supposed to be? You can't tell? No. Hey, Bob. Hey, Ted. What's that thing? It's my horn. I'm a unicorn. See? No, not really. So all the animals that are talking about are
Wow,
what
look
you can see.
at this spider.
Woo! Mango, you can tell what I am, right? Besides silly. George, I don't suppose you. Bob, don't you have more important things to do? I'm being a unicorn today. It looks like you're wasting time to me. I'm going to skip ahead and we'll see if Bob really is a unicorn.
It's red.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Larry. What are you doing? Working, Bob. I'm working. What is that? What are you up to? I'm playing. I'm busy, Bob. Bye, Larry. Oh, well. No one believes Bob's a unicorn. Let's see if Bob really is a unicorn. Look.
She's a fairy.
Oh, look at you. You are the best unicorn I've ever seen. What a beautiful horn. And just look at your mane and the sparkles. Let's play, Bob. Look, this fairy believes Bob is a unicorn.
Mommy, I want.
Yes, please. And then here is real life. Here's Bob and the fairy. It's a little girl dressed as a fairy, and then the elephant is dressed as a unicorn with like a toilet or a paper towel roll on his head or something. So I thought this book's kind of silly because it's kind of like just about using your imagination.
Mommy, wow.
Whoa. And I'm sure that we've all been playing and people have thought like, just leave me alone, I need to do important stuff. And so this book's kind of cool. Those are all the books I have to share. So Bob is a Unicorn, Managing Your Money, The Book of Secrets, which I'm actually kind of excited to read this myself. 100 Paper Airplanes to Fold and Fly, Going to the Dentist, Bug Homes, How the Elephant Got His Trunk, How Bear Lost His Tail, How Leopard Got His Spots. I might read these ones on my YouTube channel for my class to see. And then,
I'm sorry.
that's okay. There goes the flashlight. And then we've got this Shine a Light book. So those are all the books I got from Usborne. And I just found someone near where I live that does them, but when you order it, you just order online and they come to your house. So I will put a link in the, you want it unread? I'll put a link in the description of her page to order from in case anybody wants to get books. All right, see ya. Can you say bye?
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time. We'll open a new box of books another day, okay?
Okay.
Bye.